Altering time. Time distortion. This principle involves changing the perception of time in the minds of your readers, making them feel as if they have experienced your product or service for a longer period of time than they actually have. When a person imagines having done what you want them to do, it will be easy for them to convince themselves since they have already done it in their imagination. The key concept of timeline therapy is that the person imagines themselves successful in the future, maybe 10 or 20 years, and looking back onto their past, seeing them as successful. This has proven to be helpful for those who want to be confident or feel successful in their lives. So, what exactly is time distortion in NLP? It is the idea that our perception of time is subjective and can be influenced by our thoughts, feelings, and experiences. By using specific language and techniques, marketers and copywriters can create a sense of time distortion in their readers, making them feel as if they have spent more time engaging with the product or service being advertised. When used appropriately, it eliminates resistance. Why should you be using time distortion as a copywriter? The answer is simple. It can help you create more effective and persuasive copy. By using time distortion techniques, you can make your readers feel more engaged with your product or service, which can lead to increased sales and conversions. Another way to use time distortion is to create a sense of familiarity with your product or service. By using language that suggests that your readers are already familiar with your product or service, you can create a sense of comfort and familiarity that can make them feel as if they have been using it for a longer period of time.
A Skeleto.com course. Time distortion examples. Achieve more in less time with this efficient solution. Before you know it, you'll see results. Don't let lack of time hold you back from achieving your goals. Don't let time slip away without taking action. Get ahead of the game and save time with this product. Get instant access to. Get more done in less time with this productivity hack. Get results in record time with this method. Imagine how much free time you'll have when you use this time-saving tool. Imagine how much time and effort you'll save when you use this X. Imagine how much time you'll save by using this shortcut. In a matter of seconds, you can. In just a few minutes, you'll be able to invest your time wisely with this valuable resource. Maximize your time and get more done with this strategy. Save hours of time with this time-saving tool. See results in no time with this proven method. Speed up your progress by using this technique. Spend less time worrying and more time enjoying life with this product. Start achieving your goals today instead of waiting for tomorrow. Stop wasting time and start seeing results with this X. Stop wasting time on things that don't matter and start focusing on what does. Take the first step towards your goals now and save yourself time later. This is the fastest and easiest way to. This method is designed to work quickly and efficiently. This product is designed to speed up your progress and save you time. This solution is perfect for busy people who don't have a lot of time to spare. Time is money, so don't waste another minute without this product. Why spend hours trying to figure it out on your own when you can use this easy method? You'll be amazed at how quickly you can learn with this program. Time distortion and pseudo-orientation examples. A month from now, you'll be thanking yourself for taking action today. As time goes on, you'll see just how much easier your life is with this Z. As time goes on, you'll see just how much this Z has improved your life. As time goes on, you'll see just how valuable this Z is. As time passes, you'll be amazed at how much you've learned with this system. As you imagine yourself using this Z, notice how quickly time seems to pass by and how much you're able to accomplish in such a short amount of time. As you look back on your accomplishments, you'll see that this Z was the key to your success. As you look back on your decision, you'll realize that this Z was the best investment you ever made. As you reflect on your journey, you'll realize this Z was the missing piece. As you think about the benefits of this Z, notice how much more easily and effortlessly you can achieve your goals. As you think about the benefits of this Z, notice how quickly the time flies by and how much easier and more enjoyable your life becomes. As you think about the future success of your business, notice how much time has already passed and how much you've accomplished. As you think about the possibilities that await you, notice how much easier they become when you imagine yourself using this Z. As you think about your goals and aspirations, notice how much closer they seem when you imagine yourself using this Z. Before you know it, you'll be experiencing the benefits of this incredible product. By this time next week, you could be well on your way to a better, more fulfilling life. By this time next year, you'll be living the life you've always wanted. By this time tomorrow, you could be well on your way to a better life. Don't let time slip away from you. Take advantage of this offer while you still can. Don't waste another minute wishing for a better life. Take action now. Imagine being able to accomplish more in a day than you used to in a week. Imagine the possibilities that await you in the future, and how much better they will be because you made the decision to invest in this Z today. Imagine waking up every day knowing you've made the right choice by investing in this Z. Imagine what your life will be like a year from now, with this Z by your side. Imagine yourself in the future, looking back on this moment as the turning point where you made the decision to invest in yourself and your success. Imagine yourself in the future, looking back on this moment as the moment you took control of your life and your success. Imagine yourself looking back on this moment and feeling grateful that you made the decision to invest in yourself and your success. You'll be amazed at how far you've come. Imagine yourself 6 months from now with the results you've been dreaming of. Imagine yourself using this D and achieving your goals faster than you ever thought possible. Time seems to fly by when you're making progress like this. Imagine yourself using this Z and feeling proud of yourself for achieving your goals. Time seems to fly by when you're making progress like this. Imagine yourself using this Z for the first time, and then fast forward to a few months from now where you're achieving great results and feeling proud of yourself. Imagine yourself years from now with the peace of mind that comes with using this Z. Imagine yourself years from now with the satisfaction of knowing you made the right choice. In a few months, you'll be amazed at how much you've transformed with this program. In a few short months, you'll be amazed at how much you've accomplished with this tool. In a few short months, you'll be seeing results that once seemed impossible. In a few short weeks, you'll be amazed at how much progress you've made with this system. In a few short years, you'll be living the life you've always wanted thanks to this Z. In a few weeks, you'll be amazed at how far you've come with this program. In just a few months, you'll be living the life you've always dreamed of, thanks to this Z. In just a few short minutes, you'll see why this Z is a game changer. In the coming weeks, you'll be making progress faster than you ever thought possible. In the coming weeks, you'll see how much progress you've made with this program. In the near future, you'll be reaping the benefits of this Z. It's time to stop procrastinating and start making progress towards your dreams. Looking back on this moment, you'll be glad you took action and invested in this Z. Looking back on this moment, you'll be proud of the decision you made. Looking back on your journey, you'll see that this Z was the turning point. Looking back on your past struggles, you'll be grateful you found this solution. Looking back on your past struggles, you'll wish you had discovered this Z sooner. Looking back, you'll be glad you made this decision. Picture yourself in the future with the freedom and success this Z can provide. Picture yourself in the future with the success and happiness that comes with using this Z. Picture yourself in the future with the success you've achieved using this Z. Remember a time when you struggled to achieve something. Now, imagine going back to that moment with the knowledge and skills you have now. You'll be amazed at how much easier it is. Remember a time when you struggled with this problem. Now imagine going back to that time with the knowledge and tools you have now. How much easier would it have been? The clock is ticking. Make sure you don't miss out on this limited time offer. The longer you wait, the more opportunities you're missing out on. The sooner you act, the sooner you'll be on your way to achieving your goals. Think about a time when you achieved something that seemed impossible. Now imagine what you could achieve with the help of this Z. Think about a time when you felt stuck and unable to move forward. Now imagine what you could accomplish with the help of this Z. Think about a time when you were faced with a difficult decision. Now, imagine going back to that moment with the knowledge and confidence you have now. How much easier would it have been? Think about the progress you've made so far and how much further you'll go when you take the next step with this Z. It's amazing what you can accomplish in just a short amount of time. Think about the progress you've made so far and imagine how much more you could accomplish with the help of this Z. It's amazing what you can achieve in just a short amount of time. Think back to a time when you first realized you needed this Z. See yourself then and see yourself now, and notice how much more capable you are with this Z. This Z is a shortcut to success. Why waste time trying to figure it out on your own? This Z is designed to help you get results faster than ever before. This Z is like a time machine, helping you achieve your goals faster than you ever thought possible. This Z is so effective, you'll be amazed at how quickly you see results. This Z is the key to unlocking your full potential. Don't wait another day to start living your best life. Time is of the essence. Don't wait another moment to get started. When you look back on this decision, you'll know it was the right one. When you think back on this moment, you'll be grateful you took action. With this Z, you'll be able to achieve in weeks what might otherwise take months or even years. With this Z, you'll be able to achieve your goals in record time. Years from now, you'll be telling others how this Z changed your life. Years from now, you'll look back and see how this Z changed your life. You don't want to look back in a year and regret not taking advantage of this opportunity. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish in just a short amount of time. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish when you're fully focused and motivated. You'll be amazed at how quickly your confidence grows once you start seeing results with this Z. You'll be astonished at how quickly your life can change for the better with this Z. You'll be pleasantly surprised at how easy it is to make progress with this Z. You'll be shocked at how quickly you can transform your life with this Z. You'll wonder how you ever lived without this Z once you see the results. You're closer than you think to achieving your goals. This Z can help get you there. You're just moments away from taking the first step towards your dream life.
A Skeleto.com course.